Hi, it's me, Ellen. I want to show you how you can use the theme options page to customize the Tatami theme and give it your own style. So you find the theme options if you go to Appearance Theme Options in your WordPress admin panel. And there you can see the theme options you have. For instance, you can customize your link colors and the custom footer background color. You can just click in this color field here and use the color picker to customize these colors. The second option you have is the post thumbnails. As you can see in the live demo, I use a full width thumbnail above the content, but you can also choose to show a big thumbnail image below the title or just use small thumbnails by clicking this option here. Then you can upload your own logo image. Just use the link here and upload your logo image. It should be a transparent PNG image file. This works best. Then you can just copy and paste the image file URL here. You can choose post excerpts if you don't want to use the more link in your posts. You have also an option to use a custom header intro text, like you see here in the live demo. If you want to include links or just describe your blog or your website a little bit in the header section. You can also customize the footer text and include some links with your author bio on single posts. You can use standard HTML here too. Then the next option is you can upload your own favicon and Apple Touch icon here, and you can include the Tatami themes share buttons on posts or on single posts only if you choose this option, or on pages too. And the last theme option is if you want to include some custom CSS styles, you can just type them in here and save the changes to include custom CSS too. So these are the theme options in the theme options page, and you can also upload your own background image like you see in the live demo here, or just choose some different color here in the background color section. So with these easy to use options, you can customize the Tatami theme already to make it your own style. And next I want to show you how you can customize the main menu here. So this you do in the custom menu option in WordPress. So to customize your menus in the Tatami theme, you can go to your admin panel to Appearance and Menus. And as you can see here in the theme locations, you have the primary navigation. This is the navigation here at the top of the left sidebar. And you have an additional footer navigation you can set up. So you just create a new menu by clicking this plus button here, and give your menu a name like I did here in the main menu navigation, and I just choose some of my pages or categories or post formats, or set up a custom links and include my navigation here, my navigation points here, and by dragging this a little bit to the right or left, I can assign submenus too. And by saving my menu and choosing it here in my theme locations, I create and set up my custom navigation to use in the theme. So this is a very nice WordPress option. I always do first thing after installing a theme to assign my custom, more individual menus. This is a very nice option, and as you can see here at the bottom of the Tatami footer, you can have this additional navigation, the footer navigation here. It does not support submenus, but it's a very nice option to include an imprint or a contact link at the bottom of your theme. So these are the menu options you have in Tatami, and next I want to show you how you can use the post formats to make your blog more individual and more fun for your readers. As you can see in the Tatami live demo, the theme supports all the WordPress post formats, like the image gallery format, or a status post, a single image post, or a quote post, or a video post. So I think this is the post formats are a very nice option in WordPress to make blogging more fun and more interesting for the readers, to give posts special post formats. You just go in the editing post area and choose one of the formats here in the format field. Like a gallery, you just upload your images and include the gallery shortcode, and then to style them in the as a gallery post, you just choose gallery here and update or publish your post, and it will appear here with the dark background. And for the Tatami theme, it's important to assign 7 columns, so you can of course include more than 7 images in the gallery, but to give it this styling of the big image here and smaller images below, you should assign 7 columns. Then for the quote post format, you just use the standard block quotes and give the post formats quote here. And for the link post, you just include a single link and maybe some text below, as you can see here, and just give your link the class of a link to style the first link here in the post format link like this. And you can also choose a chat protocol, and you just include a list here and give it the class of chat, like explained here. And then you just include some list elements and give them the class odd and even. So this is going to be styled like this, like a chat protocol. So this are, or you can include a single image with the image post. So these are some nice options in the post formats to just style your blog more individual and more interesting. So the Tatami theme will support all these all the post formats, and they're easy to use and just make the blogging and the look of the blog more interesting and more fun. Then next option I want to show you in the Tatami theme are the widgets, and how you can use widgets to make your theme more interesting and include all your widget areas like the social links or recent posts with thumbnails and recent comments and so on. So I'm just gonna show you how you can use the widgets in the Tatami theme now. Tatami has some very nice widget options. You have 3 widget areas to choose from. First is the left sidebar below the main navigation. Then you can include your widgets in the right sidebar. And the third option is the Tatami footer. There you can include single column widgets, or you can choose the 2 column widget areas, the left and with the left and the right column. To include your widgets, you go to Appearance Widgets, And of course, you can include all the WordPress standard widgets. And Tatami also supports most of the Jetpack widgets, like a blog subscription widget or the very nice Twitter widget you see here in the footer. And it also has some custom widgets, like the Twitter widget. I show you this one. You can include some preview images of your Flickr profile, and also link to your Flickr profile here at the bottom. You can choose if you want to include random images or latest images. I show you the Flickr widget here. So this is in the left sidebar, and I just need to get my Flickr ID and paste it here, and choose how I want to link to my profile, and then I can choose a number of images to show, and choose if I want to use a random number of images or just the latest images. So this is a nice custom widget you can choose. Next is the social links widget. This is also a very popular widget. You can link to your social profiles like Twitter and Facebook by showing these nice icons here. And another custom widget is the recent post widget with thumbnails. So if you have thumbnails included in your post, they're gonna show up here if you decide to include them. So this is the Tatami recent posts widget. So you can choose thumbnails here, and you can also choose which categories you want to include and how many posts you want to include in the recent posts. I think this is a nice widget too, that has a lot more option than the standard recent post widget. So this is also nice. You can of course include a Facebook like box or some tags or categories here, and the Jetpack subscribe widget is also supported. So I think with these widget areas and the custom widget, there are really some nice options to include widgets in the Tatami theme. One more thing I want to show you are the page templates that come with the Tatami theme. So as you can see here, there's a page template without the right sidebar you can use. And there's also a blog archives page template with some tags and latest posts and a monthly archive you can use. To assign the page templates, you just create a page in your admin panel, and then here in the page attributes you see the template option, and you can just next to the default template you can choose the archive template or the left sidebar only page template to use an archives page, or to use pages without the right sidebar. So these are the options you have in the Tatami theme, and I hope you like the theme and have fun using the template. And if you have any questions, you can ask them in the theme forum or on the Tatami theme page. Thanks a lot for watching this little video tutorial. Bye!